Alrighty, y'all. Okay, man. I'm sorry about that. I posted sooner and everything. Say 5:30, like I usually be posting, but you know, sometimes I gotta change my little expiration and everything. So like basically, like posting whenever I can to 7, 5:30. It's up to that point right now, okay? But in the meantime, y'all, just like I said before, I'm posting Final Fantasy Rebirth for as much as I can right now before I about to post the new game. So far, everybody decided to play the game now. They start shooting up. I've been seeing RDC live and everything else. They've been playing the game now. So why not play it myself? Like on live and all this stuff, on ranking and all this stuff. So I'm going to have to download the game again, play that, and then for that point, see how it goes. For me, I might actually lose a couple of times, mostly because of this is my first time playing a shooting game on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going like screw it, bro. I'm just going straight in there, bro. Just start shooting, killing people left and right, trying to get the kills the best way I can and enjoy myself a little bit. So in the meantime, y'all, let's get started to where we left off on Final Fantasy Rebirth, and basically trying to get us a chocobo because, bro, I need me a bird, bro. A bird is the best friend right now. If you tend to kill on a bird, you're screwed, my guy. This is a nice environment. You just had to knock things
Sorry
up.
about my brother. All he thinks about is money.
He's just doing his job. We understand.
I suppose.
Yeah, sometimes.
But he's been a real pain about it ever since our parents left.
Left.
Say,
So
Are
they
you
ain't
guys
die?
from Midgar?
Sorry for your
Yeah.
loss.
the Undercity.
Then do you happen to know Chocobo Sam?
Oh no.
Not very well, but yeah, I guess we do.
Where is he?
Probably the Sector 6 slums. He's a big deal in Walt.
Why do you ask?
I was thinking about reaching out. It's his fault Mom and Dad are gone, so...
Chloe, that's none of these good folks' business.
But they could help!
Don't tell anyone what she told you. Sam's one of the biggest names in the business. If he gets wind of that story, our ranch is done for.
Don't worry, your secret's safe with us.
Yeah, we don't snitch and tell.
Oh! Take these greens. You can give
Tasteful.
them to Pico when you find him. They were always his favorite treat, you see.
Okay, Tifa
Maybe
not here
he'll come
good
back
because
once he's
she
had a
was,
taste.
boy, she was a
Right.
snitch.
Should probably sell you stuff, huh? Billy will throw a fit if I don't at least try to get you to spend a few gil. No pressure, but if anything catches your eye. Also, if you have any golden plumes on you, I can exchange them for chocobo gear. So be sure to hand them over if you do.
Okay, big. Well, I feel like getting something.
You mean Pico?
It's called Pico
Some traps.
Bear. I'm just grabbing some couple items here. My vibe is telling me about something more up in there. I had to go search. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's a nice. It's a nice potion. Skills. Yeah, yeah. That's pretty lit. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Find some scary bird now. His name is Mr. Pico. Mrs. Pico, I think. Is it a girl Pico or a boy Pico? I don't know, bro. I think it's a he or her.
Bingo.
Yeah!
Okay.
Come on, y'all. Let's go bag us a chocobo.
Barrett, calm down, man. We're not going to be scaring the
Keep it down.
bird.
When you're on the hunt, you don't want to startle your prey.
Right.
Pray? You know we're not here to kill him, right?
I'm going to eat.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm hungry. So I'm going to eat this bird. White baby. Fry some stuff now. Okay, what's this on here? Creep down here. Okay. And this is our target right here, folks. This is a mirror. And throw. Come on. Gotcha! Go over! Ah, good job, Nico. Good job.
Bird.
Woo, son, bro. I'm telling you right now, that wasn't nearly a challenge, but it's basic. Here, eat this. Yeah. Yeah, you would, don't you?
Isn't he just the cutest? Oh. You know, they are kind of similar. Totally.
So what now? Oh, come on now, babe. Come on, don't be doing that.
What does he want now?
Do you think maybe he's still hungry?
Sorry, that's all the food we had.
But you know where there's more? Bill's place.
Get on my little fair friend.
Back to the ranch it is then.
Come on.
Sure, why not? Dang, that thing can run. Run! I gotta get my furry friend back. You can hear that ring song, bro. What's... Bro. It's like they singing and singing a music or something like that.
Ah, there's our guy. Nothing beats a little taste of home, now does it?
Not so much as a feather out of place. Got one healthy bird here.
Enough to ride?
Sure, though I wouldn't try till he's done eating. Once he's had his fill, though, I'm sure he'll come around to the idea, if we ask him nice. Ain't that right? I'll need to prep his gear and all that, so why don't you wait outside?
Bet. Wait a minute, wait. I have a bad feeling about this. I have a bad feeling that something sounds like a nerd, but it's not no nerd, but it's somewhat like it. Who backpack is that? Oh my gosh.
Hey there.
What a pleasant surprise. You do remember me.
This nigga got spandex. What's going on, bro? Yeah. I remember.
I knew you would. It was an absolute pleasure working with you in Midgar. Thank you again. Your invaluable intel allowed me to create so much materia. Detecting internal monologue. The hell's this weirdo doing here? I was created by Professor Hojo,
Bro.
Though your
Stop reading my
thoughts could
mind,
be read by
son.
any cyborg.
You are a
To answer
cyborg
your
because you
question,
can't read my
I
mind
took
like
a
that
page out of
way.
your book and skip town. Now, the whole world's my laboratory.
So what
Speaking
now?
of which, I have a favor to ask, if it's not too much trouble.
You need more battle intel.
That's the Cloud I know. Always eager to get on with it. But yes, though, I'd like you to activate some Remna Wave towers first. They were originally constructed by the Republic of Junon, but were claimed by Shinra after the war. Since which time they've sat idle and untouched, just waiting for someone to put them to good use. The more towers you activate around the world, the more my processing power will grow. As will the area I can survey. I might even be able to construct a communications network independent of Shinra.
Nerd.
How does that sound? You'd not only be helping me, but yourselves as well.
But tell you the truth right now, I do respect a person that has, you know, mindset to work and, you know, other stuff like that way.
See that tower?
So I can't
That's
judge
your
him
first target.
because he is very smart. And that's the reason why,
And
you know, you
this
got to
will
read your
activate
books. You got to study. You got to work hard to become something way better than,
As the towers
you
close
know,
by,
anybody
allow me
else.
to accompany you.
If you want to do YouTube, do YouTube. If you want to work, get your own place, get your car, any other way, you got to work for it. That's part of going to school. The school can teach you all these stuff without no questions. But if you want to slack off, ditch school and all this stuff, then you're going to have no job, no money,
Here we are.
and bro, it's over with for you. Your career is already set. So kids, stay in school. And if you're already out of school and you like in college or something like that, stay in college, bro. Real talk, stay in college. Don't be going to no parties and start ruining your life and everything. You gotta focus on yourself. You gotta work on yourself. Because if you don't work on yourself, it's over with.
Tower activation confirmed. Initiating preliminary scan of the grasslands. I'll ascertain the locations of fiends and natural resources.
Okay. Okay, that's
After careful
clean.
consideration, I have devised a new name for this type of research. I call it World Intel.
Chatley will employ the data you collected to develop new materials, create a new combat simulator, and a mark. Okay, bet.
I hope you'll assist me in gathering relevant data by completing various tasks on your travels. In return, I will use the information you provide to develop new materia, quid pro quo. To summarize, I want us to become research partners. But before that, is there anything you would like to ask?
Yeah, tower.
These communications towers were built by the Republic of Junon in order to further their understanding of the planet. They scan for all manner of signals, such as long-forgotten ruins and rare natural phenomena. Should you happen to stumble across a tower, please activate it. I must urge you to proceed with caution, though. Feral beasts often claim these installations as their territory. Do you happen to have any questions about world intel and the like?
I mean, I ain't gonna technically say too much right now because all of these here, he's gonna be talking and I ain't got time for it. My head's gonna be spinning and spinning. So what I'm gonna do is gonna play like two of them, like one more, and then I'm gonna click nothing because I ain't got time for it, bro.
With a special pair of goggles, you can do battle in a virtual arena, regardless of your real-world location. That's the combat simulator. Or my combat simulator, as Shinra developed the stationary models first. And fret not, it will never be obsolete. I'll keep it up to date with intel from unique enemy encounters. I will also endeavor to implement all of the summons once I finish analyzing the myths and legends surrounding them, of course. In fact, after poring over stories from the grasslands, I have finished implementing a new one, the towering colossus known as Titan.
Oh?
Engage him at your leisure. Do you happen to have any questions about world intel? and
Okay,
the
now
like?
Titan part, I like that one. I really ain't gonna cap the Titan is way better. It's just the problem is Titan is very strong, and I might lose quickly because my level where I'm at right now. So I might have to wait on getting him soon.
In that case,
I
see no
say
reason not to
around
begin
by
at once.
level 50.
With your activation of
them
this
going
tower,
back and get
my
Titan.
analysis of the grasslands has already yielded some data. Though hardly substantial, it is enough for me to create materia. Which of these would you like?
So far I already got all these items. Yeah, I already got all these items and things, but this is something. Nothing
I
else?
wish you all the best in the long journey that lies ahead of you. And remember, you're not in this alone. Should you require assistance, just ask.
Is that a freaking robot? Command Simulator versus. Okay, bet.
Cloud. I have recreated Titan, the mythical colossus of the grasslands, in virtual space. I encourage you to pit your skills against this summoned entity so that I might complete its materia.
I mean, okay, Titan is really, really strong though. I ain't gonna lie on that part. What level is he though? They don't say nothing about what level he is, but I'm at the because I'm level 17 right now, and I know he might be like 20 or 30 or something like that. So I'm gonna have to, bro. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm sorry, I have to wait.
I look forward to seeing what new discoveries you make in your travels.
Alright, so why everybody? Hold on, so let me talk to my baby first. Hold on, say I can't talk to my wifey. I can't talk to her. Okay, bet. Okay, this is the end of the video. I need y'all's comment. No, I need y'all to smash that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stormbringer XL, and more videos to come, y'all. In the next video, I'm going to have the game, and bro, it's gonna be a freaking war gonna be going on in that game, bro. I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, y'all. Peace out, y'all.